Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work. And yeah, I got one. Shout out to TK and Gigi for this one. This is the Huawei P40 Pro. So, to start the video, I'm show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a Huawei P40 Pro. I literally ordered it on Wednesday and it came to me on Friday. Shout out to Never MSRP on eBay for the lowest price on the market. I definitely had to check it out. I was definitely hyped about it. Now, if you guys didn't know on this channel, I did actually get the Huawei Mate 30 Pro. I didn't make no type of coverage because of what's going on in the country right now. I mean, the entire world actually. So I definitely really wanted to check this one out because the price point was good. At first, I didn't really like it because of those front cameras on that display, but I'll try it out. Let's see if I like it, and let's see if it stays on the catalog. Alright, so you do have these little tags over here. We just gotta pop them out. It should be different. Now, like, the box is a little bit banged up, but he did put it inside a FedEx thing. He didn't really pack it up really nice. He put it in one of those padded envelopes, but let me just pop this out off camera. I'll be right back. Alright, so let's just pop this out. Almost there. Alright, we can focus. Alright, so let's just pop this out. And the first thing you're greeted with is the phone itself. There's no plastic on here or nothing, but god damn, this is beautiful. This is more like a royal blue, but it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. So I suppose that the bigger model, the P40 Plus Pro, whatever the next one is, that was going to be like the giant one. But this one is actually really gorgeous. Holy cow. Plus it's dirty. Let's see what you get in the box itself. Alright, so you have your SIM injection tool, of course. You do have your European charger, which I will not use, but it did actually come with the adapter if you get it from eBay. And I would definitely advise you to go through MSRP. He's definitely the one who I always go to, but I honestly don't even use these, honestly. But you do have your Type C, Type A cable right here, and you have your wired earbuds that look like Apple AirPods. I mean, EarPods, whatever. Alright, so you do get an included case, which is perfect. Exactly what I need for a phone like this. That's that beautiful. You have a gel case, so it's not that great, but can actually just pop that on. But you do see that little dot matrix there, and it's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be, so I am definitely hyped by that because I definitely have big phones. But just the design of this, now the back of this definitely looks like a Samsung device that was just recently announced with the S20 series, but just the beauty. So let's just power this up. I'm definitely interested to see what will I go through with this when it comes to side loading the Google apps. I did have the Mate 30 Pro about a month ago, and I side loaded it, but I had a few issues with some Google apps that I use all the time, like Family Link, Duo, and Home. But I was told by another fellow YouTuber, more with TK, he said that it's working, and he actually showed it on camera, so I'm definitely interested to see if it works again. But that camera right there, I'm not feeling that placement, but if it looks good, if it takes awesome photos like I've been seeing online on YouTube, the video on this looks absolutely amazing as well, and I would definitely be the judge of that. You can see the little black bars at the end as well. So the price that I got it for $884 or something like that, so after taxes around like $920. But I'll definitely see how it ranks when it comes to my other phones. I do have my Pixel 4 XL, I have a Galaxy Fold now, so let's just see where it starts. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the Huawei P40 Pro and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.